Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. Before you watch this video, I would like to suggest you to go and watch this particular video where I introduced you all to the Korean Irregular Conjugation. Okay, if you have already watched it, then it's great. But if you have not watched it yet, then you can go and watch it on Korean Express YouTube channel. I will also share the link of this particular video where I introduced you all to irregular conjugation in the description. Okay, now basically we know that there are some verbs and adjectives that do not follow the regular conjugation rules, okay, and therefore they are called irregular verbs or irregular adjectives. Now we also learned that there are 7 types of irregulars in Korean language. So today we are going to discuss the 시읒 irregular in Korean language. Okay, now let's start. Now what is the rule of conjugation of this particular irregular, right? We know that this does not follow the regular conjugation rules. So there is going to be a different rule. Okay, definitely there is going to be another rule of conjugation. So what is the rule? The rule is if the stem, okay, here we are talking about the verb or the adjective stem. If the stem ends in 시읒, then this 시읒, it gets eliminated when adding a vowel, right? This rule is very simple. You are going to understand it with the help of some examples. So let's start. Let me tell you one thing, that the examples that I have taken over here, these verbs or adjectives, I have conjugated them in the past, present and future tense in the informal form, right? So that it becomes easy for you to understand the rule of conjugation. Okay, first one is the verb 치다, which means to make or to build. Okay, now if you notice the verb stem, it ends in 시읒. तो इस पर सियत irregular apply होगा. Alright, now let's learn the conjugation in past tense. In past tense, you are going to attach a soyo to the verb stem. We already know the rules of conjugation. अगर आपको rules नहीं पता है, तो आप पहले conjugation के rules सीखिए by watching the videos on Korean Express YouTube channel. Okay, then only you are going to understand why I am attaching a particular ending with the given verb stem. Okay, now here a soyo is going to get attached to the verb stem. Now हमने क्या rule पढ़ा है कि जब भी एक vowel attach होगा stem से, तो जो सियत है वो eliminate हो जाएगा, remove हो जाएगा. Okay, so it will become छियोसोयो, right? Very easy, बस सियत remove कर देना है. Okay, present tense में अगर conjugation करना है informal form में, तो क्या attach होगा? ओयो, so it will become छियोयो. Okay, सियत remove हो गया, right? Next, in the future tense, what you are going to attach? 을 거예요. Okay, we know this ending. So here also सियत will get removed. क्यों? क्योंकि एक vowel आके attach हो रहा है और क्या बन जाएगा? छिल 거예요. Okay, very easy. The conjugation rule of 시읒 irregular is super easy. Okay. Next is the verb or the adjective 나타. Okay, it is used in both ways. It is either used as a verb or as an adjective. You are going to learn about this in detail later on. Right now just focus on the irregular form of conjugation. Okay, so 나타 basically means to recover or to be better, right? तो इसका जो stem है वो किससे end हो रहा है? सियत. Okay, so इस पे सियत irregular apply होगा. Okay, now let's conjugate natta in the past tense. So in past tense, the ending that will be attached is assoyo. Here 시읒 will get removed and it will become 나서요, right? Next is the present tense. In present tense, the ending will be आयो. सियत remove हो जाएगा क्योंकि vowel आके attach हो रहा है और क्या बन जाएगा? ना आयो, right? And in the future tense, similarly, सियत remove हो गया, क्या बन गया? ना을 거예요, right? So it is very easy. Just Try to practice these rules again and again with the help of examples, and you will become a pro in them. Okay. Next is itta. This means to connect. Stem kya hai? It ends in sheer. Okay, very fast we are going to do this. It will become iasoyo in the past tense, ioyo in the present tense, and irkoyo in the future tense. Okay, very easy to understand. Okay, now remember one thing, very important. Not all verbs and adjectives that end in sheer are irregular verbs and adjectives. Okay, ये irregular हर verb और हर adjective पे apply नहीं होता है, भले ही ऐसे कई verbs हैं जो sheer से end हो रहे हो. Okay, लेकिन फिर भी उन पर apply नहीं होता है. Okay, there are some verbs and adjectives that end in sheer but still follow the regular conjugation rules. Okay, there are some exceptions. Okay, now let's see some very common verbs that do not follow the irregular conjugation rule. Okay, first one is the verb shitta, which means to wash. Here the stem ends in sheer, but still it follows the regular conjugation rule. Okay, so if you conjugate this verb in the past tense, it will be shisosoyo, shisosoyo, right? sheer eliminate नहीं होगा. Okay, भले ही एक vowel आके attach हो रहा है इससे. Okay, in the present tense it will be shisoyo, shisoyo, right? And in the future tense it will be shisul koeyo, shisul koeyo, right? sheer remove नहीं हो रहा है, regular conjugation rule ही follow हो रहा है. Okay, next is also a very common verb utta, which means to laugh. It ends in the sheer consonant, right? But still ये sheer irregular को follow नहीं करता है. तो इसका conjugation past tense में वही regular conjugation rule apply करेंगे हम. तो क्या होगा? usosoyo, usosoyo, right? And in the present tense it will be usoyo, usoyo, and in the future tense it will be usul koeyo, usul koeyo. All right. Okay, now let's practice some example sentences so that you understand more clearly the irregular conjugation. Okay, first one is the example, I will build a school. So in Korean language it will be 저는 학교를 지을 거예요, right? 저는 means I, 학교를 school, and 지을 거예요 will build. Okay, so here यहाँ पे हमने छित्ता verb का यूज़ किया है to build. तो क्योंकि ये sheer irregular को follow करता है तो यहाँ से sheer eliminate हो गया. Okay, next is the example, my mother will get better. 저의 어머니는 나을 거예요. Here my is 저의, mother 어머니, and to be better is 낫다. sheer irregular follow करता है, sheer remove हुआ, क्या बन गया? 나을 거예요, right? Very easy. Now these two examples, the third and the fourth example, they use the verbs that do not follow the irregular conjugation. Okay, so remember this. Third one is the teacher laughed. 선생님은 웃었어요. Okay, उत्ता जो verb है to laugh, वो इस irregular rule को follow नहीं करता, उसमें regular conjugation होता है, इसलिए यहाँ पे sheer remove नहीं हुआ. Okay, next is I washed my hands. 저는 저의 손을 씻었어요. Here the verb 씻다, which means to wash, is used. तो ये regular conjugation ही follow करता है, इसलिए sheer remove नहीं किया है और क्या बन गया? 씻었어요. Okay, so today we learned about the sheer irregular in Korean language. Okay, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.